Okay, I'm going to focus on one thing, this idea that you can't detect these small particles except for by destroying them. I think I know where you get that idea, because to look at something with light, you need a wavelength of light that's smaller than the object you're looking at. So you can't use light to look at atoms, because by the time you get light with that short a wavelength, we're talking about X-rays and things that destroy the thing that they'd be looking at. But that's not how you look at these particles. See, that's not how we look. We don't spray light to see the photon. The photon knocks an electron off a chemical that causes a chemical reaction in photographic paper, so we see the result. Or in a CCD, we actually count the electrons that are knocked off. Okay, so we don't destroy the light. How do we know the wavelength? Well, because these diodes can be tuned so that they'll only knock off for wavelength, for light of a certain wavelength. Okay, so you don't destroy the things. That's how we look at the things. That's how we see evidence of their existence. And granted, anybody that tells you, oh, the photon looks like this, or draws a picture of a wave, okay, well, no, you can't see it in that sense. Those are just metaphors. But it is acting like a particle. It is acting like a wave. It is acting like these things, and that's what you have to answer. Okay, but just taking one thing at a time. You don't have to destroy the photon to understand that it was there, that it was a particle, or how it was behaving. You can see that it knocks off the electron in the photoelectric effect. And it's whatever is knocking that off. That's the phenomena that we're looking for. Oh, well, there's a whole conspiracy of a million different things, and it isn't just a particle. Fine, it's a wave. What is it? What is knocking the electron off? So we can see that the thing that knocks electrons off has arrived at the photographic paper. We don't destroy it. We don't spray other particles at it. We just know that it's physical. That is a physical effect. We set up a situation where we can see when there's a physical effect. Okay.